My cat is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah, fuck you!
Hey. Hey. Hey.
She's biting me. He's gonna drown himself.
Kona, really?
Get it off the couch.
Take it out.
Now.
You're scaring me. Stop. Stop, please.
So I'm trying to wrap presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do. Oh!
Hey, buddy, I can't let you outside.
Ashala la bosha.
Kitty, kitty. Wow, you're nice, kitty.
¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
Can you read this? Oh my god!
Uncle Angel is not doing his job. You have one job. Look behind you.
Where did you get that? Careful.
It's okay. I know you're. I know.
I got me a motherfucking fork. You bitch!
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Chucky.
Damn it, Chucky!
Stop hunting me. Why are you hunting me?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Bentley, where are you? Come here. Bentley.
This is Toby, and he seems to think 2 legs are enough.
Look where the hell she at. We done looked all through the neighborhood. We done drove everywhere. Look where the damn dog at. Yeah, and you know you're in trouble. Why the hell would you be in here?
Plankton actually is genius. He's a little plankton. Okay, now I'm motivated to buy it. Yes. He's always flipping off.
Meow. Meow.
And that is how you take the city transportation.
Looks like we had a bit of beef jerky. Tasty. Looks like we looked through some mail. Looks like over here We played with some toilet paper. Oh, and what's that? Oh, more. Looks like we played with a lot of toilet paper. Now I wonder, who could have done that?
Winnie, go to your cage. Oh yeah, he doesn't understand. He can't speak, obviously. Go to your cage. Winnie, go to your cage. Vete pa tu jaula. Vete pa tu...
You're my new best friend. Oh, hello. Hello.
Sambung. Relaga.
Trust doesn't come easy for some dogs. Male sage grouse perform this display every spring in the same spot, called a lek, to attract females. That little cuddle under the blanket is unbelievably sweet.
You're trying, aren't you,
I think it's more than curiosity. They genuinely seem interested in understanding how humans do things.
Jado needs help. Jado needs. Oh.
That chaos is a lifestyle.
Get him, buddy. Yeah, boy. Oh, yeah.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for even more amazing animal moments. See you next time.
Oh my god.
Blanky. Oh, thank you. Come on then. Oh. You got your blankie for snuggles.
You got perfect precious snuggle baby. And then you got demon from hell.
That dog has way too much confidence in this tortoise's athletic ability.
Come on, boys. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, Charlie. Let's go.
Leave them alone for 1 hour, and this happens.
What have you done?
Look how you're sitting. Skin shady. I think you forgot to get your leg.
This one's doing cartwheels. It's doing cartwheels.
Put it, hey, no! Winston. Winston? Winston! Ava, it's on the carpet. Winston, hey.
Estoy loco, estoy loco.
forget to like and subscribe for even more amazing animal moments. See you next time, and stay awesome! This feels less like an act.
You're so silly.
Why are you sitting like that? Oh my god. Oh!
If it's breakable, cats are automatically interested.
That's Pumbaa.
Apparently, warthogs can be ridiculously charming.
Oh my gosh.
This is exactly why life.
Tu vois, ça avait ce risotto, il s'est coincé la tête dans mon abat-joie. I'm not helping because baby
Neither cat was about to lose this battle.
Yo, you know.
Manatees are often called sea cows because of their calm and gentle nature. This is what happens when dogs are left alone for 5.
I'd like to know if anyone else has a cat.
Living with cats means accepting a certain level of weirdness.
What is it?
Ready? Okay, it's you. It's you.
That bird is fighting a battle the cat doesn't even know exists. That dog is genuinely having the best time ever. That might be the laziest happy dog ever.
But none of these fields. Each cover with 10 years roadside assistance. Not
He understood the idea, just not correctly.
Oh.
Just wait. I'll be quick.
Good.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget.
Come on, come on, come on. Be down.
The system.
Oh my god, pumpkin, pumpkin!
Oh my god, no!
Oh my
Hey, let him sleep. Be quiet.
Спасибо, моя кися. Anybody else?
Merv. Merv, your bath is ready.
There she goes. She's dead.
Are you dead?
Motherfucker, where is it? Where the is it? I swear to God. You laughing, girl? You trying to laugh? This funny? Let me show you some fucking. 好深井啊，在这里跑酷。啊！